I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious sweet potato brownies. Now, I love these brownies because they're healthy and they're rich and fudgy, and you'd never guess that there's sweet potatoes in them. The first thing we're going to do is prepare our sweet potato.
For this recipe, we need 1 cup of mashed sweet potatoes. Cut the sweet potatoes into chunks, place them in a pot of boiling water and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're tender when pierced with a fork. Transfer the sweet potatoes into a bowl and use a hand blender to puree them, but you can use a blender or food processor. Next, add almond butter. Almond butter gives the brownies its moist and fudgy texture, but you can also use peanut butter if you don't have any almond butter. Then add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until combined. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth. Finally, you can add some chocolate chips or nuts. I'm using dairy-free chocolate chips. Fold them in. Pour the brownie batter into a baking dish lined with parchment paper and spread evenly. Sprinkle a few more chocolate chips if you like. Bake the brownies at 350 or 175 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the brownies cool for a few minutes before cutting them into squares.
You can find the full recipe in the description. And let me know in the comments if you've tried sweet potato brownies before or if this is your first time making it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.